the summer of love.
Hi, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube and thank you for supporting. So today we are gonna make fried quinoa with chicken breast, bell pepper and broccoli. At the very beginning we need to make quinoa first because it takes half an hour to make. For now we need to also boil the water first so that we can put the broccoli into the hot water. So now let's move to the stove. Now we are gonna make quinoa. All you need is 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water or chicken broth. And you might also want to put some salt into it. We are just gonna mix it together and let it boil for 20 minutes. While the quinoa is cooking, we are gonna prepare the food. First, we are gonna put all the broccoli into a bowl and put the hot water into it so that it can cook before we fry everything together. We're just gonna let it sit here for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna marinate the chicken. What we need is some soy sauce and some black pepper and some salt. And we're gonna put the garlic powder and salt into it. You might also want to mix some of the garlic into the chicken breast. After you mix everything together, I usually add the olive oil at the last. Now we are draining the broccoli. And make sure you put some cold water so it's a little bit crispy and remains fresh. So the quinoa is almost ready. We are gonna fry the chicken breast first, and then we're gonna do a close-up on how to make the whole thing. So first we need to heat up the pan, and then we are gonna put some olive oil into the pan. Then we're gonna put garlic into the pan as well. Once you can smell the garlic, you can put all the chicken breast into the pan. So we are now just gonna let it turn brown before we turn to another side. Now the chicken is almost golden brown on the other side. So we're just gonna turn it over and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm gonna add some spicy sauce into the chicken breast. If you've never tried this, you are missing out. It's the most famous spicy sauce in China. This is called lao gamma. So I'm just gonna put 2 spoons into the chicken breast. So I'm just gonna let it cook for another minute or 2. Now the chicken is almost cooked, and now we're gonna pull the bell pepper and broccoli into our frying pan. It's so beautiful. If you don't want to put quinoa into the dish, this is good to go as well. So now we're just gonna let it cook for a minute before we are adding the quinoa into the dish. Okay, so now we are gonna add the quinoa into the pan. If you don't like it to be too salty, you don't need to add soy sauce or salt into it. But I usually like it to be a little bit salty. So I'm just gonna pour some soy sauce in it. And I'm gonna also put a little bit more pepper. And now I'm gonna put the lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes. Okay, it's ready. Now we're gonna put it on the plates. Now dinner is ready. Okay, so I'm gonna taste the food. It's really hot, but it tastes really, really good. So this whole thing can last you for like 5 or 6 meals, or even 7 if you just eat a little bit. It's really good. I highly recommend it.
Raindrop, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.